And today I'm very excited to show you guys 3 new SKUs within the accessories business utilizing the Packout storage system. So it's no secret, you guys know Packout has been a huge success for us. It's really taken off, and obviously we are continuing to invest even more in the Packout storage system. So as a market leader in the accessories business, we knew this was a huge opportunity for us. So we've teamed up with the Packout team to start offering accessory solutions in Packout kits. So the first one that I'm going to talk to you about is the 10-piece bimetal HoleDozer kit. So this one actually launched in March of this year, so this one is available now. This will have hole saws from 1.5 inches all the way up to 4 1/4. It'll have your pilot bits, your arbors, really everything you need nicely in that Packout set. So not only is this great for people who are already in the Packout system, but it's also going to continue to drive users into the system, and then they have access to all of the other storage solutions that our Packout team has worked hard to bring to market. So again, this one is available now. Next we have our 101-piece ShockWave impact driver bit set. So if you guys have been by the accessory breakout already, you learned all about our new ShockWave 3.0 impact duty bits. And we're really excited to launch this along with that new product. So this will be, you'll have your bit holder in there as well as 100 bits over all common tip types. So your Torx, your Phillips, your square, really anything you need. This kit is going to have it. So again, this is great in our low profile compact organizer. It's perfect for those smaller bits, so you can take your bits at home, you can add to it, and that's really going to be the perfect storage solution. And this one's going to be launching in August of this year. And then last, we've got our 9-piece BigHawg with carbide teeth set. So if any of you guys were with us the last couple of years, you remember when we launched our line of carbide teeth accessories. So BigHawg has been a huge success for us. And we knew that putting this in a Packout was kind of a no-brainer, right? Anyone who's used this knows how heavy this thing is. This is a very heavy-duty hole saw. So having the added durability of the Packout set is going to be a huge benefit for our users. And again, this is 2 1/8 inch up to 4 5/8 with your pilot bit, your arbors, all packed and ready in your compact Packout organizer. And this one's going to be launching in October of this year.
Retail?
This one's going to be $199, $69.99, and this one is $129. So again, as we continue to invest in the Packout system, you can expect to see even more accessory solutions come into Packout organizers. Again, we're really just getting started with this, and there's so much opportunity for accessories and Packout to come together to put out these awesome solutions.